Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic video update. Now, is Luna Classic trying to make a little bit of a push up, or are we still gonna drop directly to the downside? Now, one thing is very clear: on the daily time frame, we have that continuation pattern for the 3 black rows again. So I reckon that still there's nothing fancy here, but if you want to keep moving higher a little bit, maybe just a relief, you could actually end up pumping back up to 19,000 and spend some time in this zone. Okay, so this is where you could actually spend some time, but the green box is still coming. The green box is always there. The prices to come lower is still always pending. And by the way, have you noticed that you do have a bear flag, and this bear flag is a technical target to go from the top here to the bottom, and you're looking for again that green box down to 12,556. So nothing has changed, but there could be chances of moving back up to retest the flag itself back up to 19,288. I mean, I reckon that literally Luna Classic likes to do that. I mean, back in the days, even here, when we had this bear flag right there and you were meant to come down here, you didn't come down very quickly. What you did is you came down and you retested that bear flag. Okay, you retested that bear flag right there 2 times actually before you actually dropped down, and taking a long time. So you can learn from history again that if you're making a bear flag like this, drop down, come back, retest again, and then finally drop down. So something like that can happen. It cannot happen either way. It's hard to say because those are zones where you can actually not predict. But what you can predict is that if you come up above a certain level, which is important to break, you break all the bear structures and come up to 28,000, continue higher. Otherwise, what you can say is that you're still looking to drop down to 11,500. And that's pretty much it for this quick Luna Classic update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.